So one of the challenges we have tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Myron B will be here tasting everything that we put on offer on the show tonight.
Yes.
Myron B eats nothing. Myron don't eat butter.
No.
Myron don't eat cream.
Nope.
Myron don't eat meat. Myron.
Nope.
So how are we cooking for Myron tonight? Myron is a vegan and we've taken on that challenge to feed Myron tonight and also showcase some vegan recipes tonight. So I am going to roll out my very first recipe. Let me just get rid of this chair. What are we going to do? Myron doesn't eat much. So one of the things that I have gotten used to is gluten-free style of cooking, because many of us, we don't realize how many people right sometimes in our families, in our communities, they can't eat gluten.
Yes.
I have picked up with a pasta that I swear by when it comes to gluten-free pasta.
Gluten-free pasta.
It's a gluten-free pasta. It's Nova rice gluten-free pasta.
Nova rice gluten-free pasta.
So
nice.
it is as close to real pasta as possible.
Right.
It's a gluten-free
But
pasta.
gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
There we go.
Gluten-free. I am doing, guys, today pumpkin and mushroom pasta.
My kind of food self, man.
Pumpkin and mushroom pasta. So why are throwing the mushroom? Because that's the closest thing I'm gonna get to meat.
I mean, and it is a very good meat substitute as well.
It's a meat substitute.
Yes.
It's a meat substitute. For those people who don't eat meat,
Yeah.
mushrooms is
Yeah, we
actually
always throw mushrooms in.
is a mushroom, right?
And have some nice
So
white, yes.
what we're doing is that we're cutting the pumpkin in cubes.
Cubes.
Not very fine cubes because we're roasting it. So really it's just to get it into some nice cubes.
Into roasting form.
Into roasting form. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I don't want fine cubes because when I toss the mushroom, toss the pumpkin in the pasta,
Right.
I want to be able to see. I want to be able to see the pumpkin.
Right.
So I don't want just to
Say
mash
it's
up
a
the
pumpkin in there.
Yeah. I want to be able to
We don't want color, we want to see some good
Now,
physical
if
pumpkin.
you want the pumpkin nice and mushy,
No, you're going good enough, keep it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so that's it. So just like that, I have a bowl here that I'm going to just take this and toss it in here
Right.
and season it up and get it ready for roasting. So this is an important part of the dish. I'm adding some onions, about a half cup of onions.
Right.
I have salt,
Right.
black pepper, most important. And I have some smoked paprika for flavor at Fiesta. We had Fiesta Plaza. So you can use ordinary paprika,
Smoked paprika.
but I found
And
a
it is the
smoked
best.
paprika
It's
that
the
I
best.
really like. It
Smoked
really
paprika
gives
is
that
the
little
best.
additional flavor, right? And I'm just going to toss this together.
Let's go.
One thing that I just have as well here that I want to add here is some garlic.
Of course.
So I have some finely chopped garlic that I'm adding in here. Bam, bam, bam. Olive oil.
For the roast. Yes.
In a greased dish or with some nice foil. You place it here. One of the important things is to spread it evenly.
Yes.
So you want to roast it and not bake it or allow too much moisture. So you want it roasted. So you spread it out on an even, make sure it's even.
Even dish.
You get it in the oven. But I would say about 35 to 40 minutes, midway in between, give it a nice little toss. Make sure it's roasting well. So I have some that's lovely and roasted.
Yeah,
here.
boy. Wow.
Yeah. This TV, we are limited time. So
Yeah,
we
we had to speed it up,
Yeah,
yeah.
speed it up. So this is it finished and roasted.
Looking good too, man.
Right? I have a pot that is getting nice and hot here, Myron.
Right.
I'm going to add some oil to this pot. So that I am adding my mushrooms. Do you eat a lot of mushrooms?
Of course. Mushrooms are one of my favorites.
So you would eat mushrooms to replace, you don't eat chicken at all?
No meat at all. The
Fish?
No fish. No meat. Nothing.
No fish, no meat.
No chicken. No beef. No fish.
Where you get
nothing
your
at all.
protein from? Your source of protein?
From plants. Plant-based. Everything plant-based. A lot of legumes. What we call chana.
Yeah.
Right, and we blend that with sesame seed, and we get the full complement of protein.
Peas is one of your big source of protein.
Yeah, that's like the major source.
That's amazing. Yeah,
Yes.
that's amazing.
So let me go. We have mushrooms inside of there.
Yeah, mushrooms. Yeah. To that now, I have some finely chopped rosemary.
Rosemary. Give me some of that.
So I love rosemary. I love rosemary. I want some more oil. And right away I have my boiled pasta.
And what type of pasta is it?
So this is the closest thing I got in terms of vegan gluten-free pasta.
Yes.
The rigatoni, because I was looking for a rigatoni. So this
style.
is what, in the Nova Rice brand, it's really called a macaroni.
A macaroni.
But it's as you say, it's very close to what I wanted, with some nice ridges.
And Nova Rice
pasta.
is the name. Nova Rice pasta.
My pasta goes straight in there with my mushrooms. So the pasta meets the mushroom. So many of us are accustomed eating pumpkin how?
Fried down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Atal curry.
Yes, that way.
That word. It's like atal curry. Pumpkin can be used in so many various ways. And I am a meat mouth, and I must admit, when I tried this, I did one thing that I'm not going to do for you tonight.
What's that?
And you can do it, guys, if you eat dairy and cream. You can add some Feta cheese or some goat cheese and just sprinkle on this. Get it all combined. A little butter if you're not serving Myron. And that will really take the dish to the next level. But I'm not doing that for you tonight.
Not tonight.
Myron
Okay.
can't even smell butter.
Yeah.
Straight out of the pot.
Hot stuff. Ay. Let me make sure they can get the colors.
And that's my pumpkin mushroom pasta for Myron B. I hold my head when I hear Myron coming and I have to feed Myron
Yeah,
tonight.
well, I mean,
Tell me.
I'm going down in it and I want a little bit of everything.
Flavors at Fiesta. We promised Myron one thing. He came hungry. He's going to leave happy. This is Flavors at Fiesta right here at Movie Town. We are Cup of Joe and we are celebrating 5. We are coming right back.